The brain is wider than the sky. For put them side by side, the one the other will include with ease, and you beside. Wow, what a wonderful opening sentence there. In many ways, this poem could serve as a good hallmark, right, for Romanticism. Because with these Romantics, they're all about what? The imagination, reaching out. And what do we see? The brain is wider than the sky. How is this possible? Because when you look outside and you see the sky, right, it fills the whole view, the whole vision. So what is greater than that is up here. The brain, right, the one the other will include, right? So I can imagine, I can hold the vista of the sky, that beautiful blue in here easily. And you as well. Wow, I can do all that. The brain is deeper than the sea, for hold them blue to blue. The one the other will absorb as sponges buckets do. So not only the brain is wide, but the brain is what? Deep. It has depth. It's so deep, right? Deeper than the sea. For hold them blue to blue. Well, how could, right, so the ocean's blue, how could the mind be blue? Well, it could be because it contains the sky, which is blue. As sponges, buckets do, right? So it'll absorb that. So if you imagine a bucket of water and you drop a sponge in, it soaks it all up. That's what our brain does. That's what our minds do. The brain is just the weight of God. Ooh. What is Dickinson saying? For lift them pound for pound, and they will differ, if they do, as syllable from sound. We contain God in our minds. Ooh, that's a unique idea that Dickinson has here. God is where? In our minds. The power of the individual. We keep seeing this again and again with these transcendentalists. But there's a difference here. For lift them pound for pound, and they will differ, if they do, as syllable from sound. Right? So words have syllables, right? Like differ and, right? When you're remember being in elementary school and learning to divide words into syllables, right? That's as different as the sound of words. So how does that tie in? Right? Our minds are different from God, even though there's that inclusiveness, right? Our minds can contain God, can absorb God, just like that bucket that's dropped into the water, that our minds have unlimited depth, unlimited width, right? Breadth. All this that our minds can contain. Limitless. Wow. Something that we keep seeing here with the Romantics, with the Transcendentalists. So we're at our really brief look into a few poems of Dickinson. Good thing about Dickinson's work, it's in the public domain. You can just go online and dive deep into her poems. So until we get to see each other again, be well, do good work, and keep in touch.